the car has just under 60,000 miles, but when you get close and you walk around the car, it looks like a very well-maintained 1 or 2 year old car with under 20,000 miles. It only had one owner, and it is unbelievable how they cared for the car, because let's start from the front. First of all, it has absolutely amazing condition of paint. Usually a vehicle with this kind of miles would have a lot more chipping and maybe even some scuffs and sandblasting. So this car, when you look at the headlamps, when you look at the chrome on the grille, certainly when you look at the paint, there are very, very few, almost none of the typical chipping that you see. As we conclude the inspection of the front end, there will be only one area, which is just the molding, and it's a serviceable part. The chrome molding on the right side has a small crack right here, right in this area, and as you can see, that is right there. The rest of the front of the car is in incredibly nice condition. Since we're looking at the front, we're going to glance at the windshield. There are no chips or cracks or issues with the windshield. Again, the pillars that often will exhibit some chipping. The paint looks very, very nice. The windshield looks very, very nice. No sandblasting. The same is true for the mirrors. And let's continue on with the vehicle inspection on the driver's side. The front tires in excellent condition, plenty of tread. We have very specific measurements shown on our website, alphacars.com. You can see the condition of tires and brakes for this vehicle. With this video, we are showing the actual condition. The left front rim looks very, very nice. There were areas of light imperfections in this area that our detailer polished off. Under very, very close inspection, you can see the area where it was polished, but you need to be looking very, very close to see that. And the same is true right in this area. But overall, when you look at the rim, it looks very, very nice. The rest of the vehicle, the rest of the left side paint, there are no dents, no chips, door edges, flares. Everything looks very nice. There's one touch up on the flare I'll show you in a moment, but the edges, there are no chips on the door edges. It all looks good. Obviously the step has a normal scuffing right in this area where people step in. It's very, very little, but we are going to show it and disclose it to you. When you look at the again at the rear of the car, nothing jumps off, but we know we did a touch up right in this area. There is, as I'm pointing this out, there was a light scuff that we touched up, and there was a scuff on the rib right here that we touched up. It's barely noticeable, but it is there, and we would like to disclose it. The condition of the rear is very presentable. This car has a very muscly look. It's got white tires, AMG cladding surrounding the body panels, make GL550 stand out from the rest of the SUVs of this size, not to mention the other GL450 or 350 diesels. 550 is a completely different family. It is the body styling is the same as the GL63. So the rear bumper under close inspection, yes, we have a little bit of dirt. That's not a big deal. The corners look very nice. No chipping, no dents, no scuffs. The chrome protective plate looks very nice. There is one, just so it, there's a light little indent in the paint. It's not even the scratch. That looks good. The chrome and stainless steel tips look very nice. It doesn't look like the towing hitch was ever used. All the paint inside is nice and clean. The vehicle has towing package, which is very desirable, and it's very expensive to add that after the fact. We are on the passenger side now, and looking at the paint is exceptional. Door edges have no chips. Things are nice and clean around door handles. It has optional chrome inserts. That's a Mercedes option. The pillar looks very, very nice. There is a light surface scuff. I'm pointing to it right now here. That does not feel like a scratch. It looks like on the surface of the paint. We should be able to clean that off. We'll give it a try. Flares look nice and clean, no scratches. This side step is very clean, no scuffing, and this flare is very nice and very clean. So moldings are consistent and no issues with moldings. This car has tons of options. You absolutely should visit our website and check out. We do a full presentation on the website. We show the Carfax, we show service history. We have incredibly detailed description that goes in depth on everything that we know about the car. As you look at the window sticker, the original base price was $91,000 for the GL550 in 2016. This particular car was sold for $96,400 because of the extra equipment, which includes Designo diamond paint, trailer hitch, a few other goodies, and including the rear entertainment system. Check this out. Has a beautiful full leather interior. The condition of the interior is incredibly clean. It does not look like a used car. It looks very close to new condition all around. Wood is beautiful. Stitching is beautiful. Even the common areas of wear, like the bolsters, are in like new condition. So we encourage you to check out our website, AlphaCars.com. If this vehicle is still available, it will be listed there. You can click on the listing, and please take the time to look at the description, because it is very detailed and comprehensive. So this vehicle has a keyless go. The key's in the car right here, and you push the button, and it's got an awesome sound from the engine, twin turbo V8. A beautiful sound system. And let's glance at the engine compartment. Nice and clean all around. All original paint on this car, which is supported by the measurements that we did with the paint meter. You can see it in the description of the listing. And we'll glance at the rear tires that are in close to new condition. Again, more details on that on our website. Thank you very much for viewing this video from AlphaCars from our Boxborough location.